Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Chrome extensions in Chrome browser. So very easy guys. Firstly, open any Chrome browser. After click on three dots, click on More Tools, and here option Extension. So click it. So guys, if you want to disable, so let's click on Remove. Here option Report a badge. So if you want to remove, so click it. That. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to remove Chrome extension in Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video is full or not. Thank you for watching.